Step down in the interest of peace, Afenifere youth asks Pa Adebanjo. Aggressive youth protest demand sack of Pa Adebanjo as Afenifere leader. Youth under the umbrella of Yoruba Afenifere Youth Organization of Nigeria have staged a protest demanding that the acting leader of Afenifere, Pa Ayo Adebanjo, to step down from the leadership of the organization. The youth of Pan Yoruba Social Cultural Organization protest in Akure on Tuesday. The protesters stormed the Akure residence of Pa Fashoranti to intervene in the Afenifere crisis. The protesters could be seen carrying placards with a various description such as Pa Fashoranti, please rescue Afenifere, Ayo Adebanjo must go, revoke the mandate you gave to Pa Adebanjo, Adebanjo, time to step down aside, among others. We need sanity within Afenifere, the youth mentioned. Afenifere is passing through internal crisis. Pa Adebanjo sanctioned 2 national officers because they made statements in the papers. Adebanjo is using political inner might to cause crisis. He cannot suspend national officers without referring to Baba. Another protesters, Bukola Veronica, said they no longer recognize Adebanjo as acting leader of Afenifere, that he must step down. Meanwhile, Fashoranti, who spoke through his chief security officer, Sunday Ogunkola, assured the protesters that he would look into their demand.
This is ODUA TV Watch. Don't forget to subscribe, comment your opinion, like, comment and share so that other people can get access to what you enjoy on our channel. Thank you. We love you.